A very good morning to my dear computer students. Let us start our today's lecture. So beta, yesterday we have discussed the theoretical part of conversion of infix expression to the postfix expression. So for that we have discussed few important things like the steps. Firstly, we need to insert braces and then we can start evaluating the expression. Okay. So for that the inner braces have to be solved and we should keep a check on the priority that we have to focus. That is, we should solve brackets or parentheses first, then we should go for exponential, and then we should go for multiplication and division operators if there are in any arithmetic operators. Then we should try solving the subtraction or addition. Okay, but if in these two cases, means in the third and fourth case, we can see multiplication and division and subtraction and addition have been given the same precedence. So in that case we will follow this left to right rule. Okay, what this left to right rule says, that whenever we are accessing arithmetic expression and we are finding the addition and subtraction at the same level, multiplication and division at the same level, then we will go for solution that whosoever is coming first when we are moving from left to right. To better understand this concept, we should take few examples. So first one is, this expression is given to you and we need to convert it into postfix. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to first evaluate the expressions that are inside the bracket. Before that I have to put few brackets, keeping in mind the solution should go in a particular way. Okay, so for that, see here you can see bracket has to be given the first precedence, so you will solve it first. But what after that, what you will do, the multiplication is also there and division is also there, so which one you have to give the precedence first? Obviously the multiplication. Why? Because we know left to right rule we have just discussed. While solving the arithmetic expression, whatever you are encountering first from left to right, that is to be given the most importance. Like here, if you are moving from left to right, you are getting multiplication first, so you will solve for multiplication. So you will put a bracket here, that after this inner bracket you will solve this bracket. Okay, once this bracket will get solved, then you will go for this division. Okay, so now we are putting this brackets. So once the brackets are done, we will start solving it. So a plus b, okay, a plus b will be written as ab plus. Why? Because we know in postfix expression we are writing the operator at the end of the operands. After writing operands we are writing it. So this is your first operator, this is your second operand, sorry, this is your first operand, this is your second operand, and this is your operator. Okay, so how you will write in your postfix expression, you will write the first operand, you will write the second operand, and then you will write the operator. Okay, so you will write the first operand a, you will write the second operand b, and then you will write the operator plus. Okay, so for this particular part you have the postfix expression ab plus. Okay, so now just not to confuse you, I'm erasing it. Now this becomes, this whole means actually this is become the first operand, this is your operator, and this is your second operand. Okay, again you need to write it like this. How? You will write the first operand. What is the first operand? ab plus. So you have written ab plus, then the second operand, that is 2. Okay, and then the operator is your multiplication. So फिर ये आप यहाँ लिख देंगे, this you will write here. Okay, so this way you have received this part also. So once you have written this complete, so now it becomes your first operand. Okay, this becomes your operator. Okay, and this is your second operand. Fine. Now again you will solve for it. Fine. So how you will write the first operand, that is ab plus c multiplication. So you will write this as it is. Okay, the second operand is d, you will write it. This is your second operand and this is your operator. I hope it is clear. So finally we have got the complete postfix expression. Now try solving this second solution for you, second question for you. So beta, in this again we will put the parenthesis, keeping in mind which order we will follow. Means first we will solve what, secondly what we will be solving next, and so on. Okay, so beta, here what you need to do, firstly put the brackets. Again you see the inner one will be solved first. After the brackets have been solved, the inner one, what we will be solving, again multiplication and division you are encountering, but you know the exponential has to be given the more importance, so we'll put a bracket here first. Okay, so as we will solve this, we will solve this also. Fine. After brackets we have the precedence importance of this exponential. This is your exponential sign in e raised to power f, we are writing like this. Okay, so once you have written this, next what you will try solving, multiplication or division, obviously multiplication. So again put another bracket. Okay, here you are putting another bracket. Fine, so that you may be able to solve this expression also. When this will be solved, then you will take it as 1 and then you will try solving it with d. Okay, once it has been solved with d, then we will combine these two together. Okay, let us try it one by one, step by step, so that you may not get confused anywhere. Fine. So beta, firstly we will be solving this. Okay, so what it will give me, ab plus. Okay, next we will solve this, so it will give me ef exponential. This we have also received. Now we will go for solving these two. Okay, so this is our first operator, this is our operand. Okay, sorry, this is operand 1, this is operator, and this is operand 2. Okay, so how you need to write, first operand, second operand, and then operator. Okay, so you will write ab plus is written, then you will write second operand, that is c, and then you will write the operator, that is multiplication. Fine. After this you will make it as 1 and this as 2. Okay, so 1 and 2, by saying 1 and 2 I just mean that that first operand and second operand only. Fine. So again let us start it. So this is our first operand. Okay, this is our first operand, this is our operator, division is the operator, and this is our second operand. Fine. So how to write it, first operand, second operand, and then operator. So again you see, this is the complete one operand, a b plus c multiplication, then the second operand d we have written, and this operator at the last. Now what next we'll be doing, so this complete has been solved, and this is another one, so this bracket will be solved now. Okay, so this is the first operand, this is the operator, and this is the second operand. Okay, again follow this rule, first operand, second operand, and then operator. So a b plus c multiply d division. Okay, this is the first operand up to here. Okay, then you are writing ef exponential, this is the second operand, and after second operand we'll put the operator, that is plus. So plus we have put here. Okay, so this is the solution of this bracket. Now what is left, this. Now this will be considered a complete operand 1. Okay, now it will become the complete operand 1. This is now the operand number 1, this is the operator. Okay, and this is the second operand. Again follow this rule. So first operand is up to here, plus tak we will be using it. This is our first operand, and then we'll be writing second operand, and then the operator. Fine. I hope it is also clear. Now let us move to the next example. Okay, so beta, this is little bit different, so please pay attention. Fine. So firstly we will be putting the brackets, obviously. Firstly the inner brackets will be solved, this one and this one. Once these are solved, then we will see to it what we need to solve further. Okay, so firstly after putting the brackets, see again we will see, after we have solved this and this, what we will do, we will see solve these two together. Okay, we can solve this division or multiplication. Which one we will solve first? The multiplication. Why? Because it is coming in the first occurrence, means first you are getting this, so we'll solve it. So we'll put up another bracket here. Okay, so you will put a bracket here. Fine, put one bracket here, that will starting here and that will be ending here. Fine. So in this way, and one bracket you can put at this place also. Okay, so let us go on the next page. So first what we have done, we have solved these two brackets, this bracket and this bracket. You can see this is CD plus and this EF plus. Okay, once this has been solved, now we will try solving these two. Okay, this is the operand number 1 and this is the operator and this is the operand number 2. Okay, again the same rule, 1 2 operand, second operand and then operator. So uske baad beta what we will do, this the complete, it will remain the same. Okay, as it is we have written. Now we are working upon this particular area only, this area. Okay, so you can see this is the first operand, CD plus is the first operand, then EF plus is the second operand, and what was the operator in between? This multiplication, so we have put it like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this complete bracket has been solved now. Okay, now what you will do next? So you can see here, we will be solving this G now. Okay, so this will be taken up, this will be taken up as 1, this will be your operator and this will be your second operand. Fine. So now you can see this as it is we have written. Now up to multiplication, the same we have written here. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second operand and this is your operator. Fine. Now what you will solve? Now you will take this as 1 together and you will attach it with B. Now beta, you need to pay attention. This is something different that you have never done before this. Okay, so kindly pay attention in a better way. So what we will be doing, we will be considering this as 1, means this is the operand 2. Okay, this is our operand 1 and this is our operator. Okay, so A star will be writing as it is. Now if you find bracket is there and one operator is there and this way you are writing, so what it will be attached with the first that you have written. Okay, first element inside the bracket that is written, B will be attached with that only, rest everything will remain the same. This operator will go at the end. We know this is the first operand B, so it will be attached with CD. I told you the first operand will get attached to this. If in bracket you have multiple things written together, so the first operand will get attached to the first element, means second operand के first element पे attach हो जाएगा, right? So B plus, so it will become BCD. Okay, BCD, then everything is same up to here. You can see plus EF plus multiply G. Okay, up to here everything is same. Now this plus has been put at the last. Okay, so this is your operator in this case. Okay, now what we will do, we will solve this bracket. Okay, this is also left now. So how to take it, how to write for it? Now you can see this is your first operator A operand, sorry, this is your operator and this is your, up to here it is the second operand. So again follow this rule. Okay, 1 2 and operator, that is again you see the same case, multiplication and then followed by a number of things inside the bracket. So A will be attached to the first element only and rest everything will be copied as it is. So you will write A B C D plus EF, you can see plus EF, then plus multiply G division, everything is same na, up to here everything is same. Okay, now the operator which was in between this multiplication was there, so we have put multiplication here. Okay, I hope it is also clear to you. So now what will happen, this will become the complete one. Okay, this will become the first operand, this is your operator and this is your second operand. Now again we'll follow the same rule, 1 2 0, that is this is completely 1, so we have written it as it is up to here. Okay, then the second operand and then the operator. I hope it is also clear to you. Okay beta, so next is Next question is AB plus BC, this question. So again we need to put brackets. Okay, then before putting brackets we must look into where we should put the brackets. Okay, and that bracket should be put on the basis of where, means which expression, which part of the expression has to be solved first. Okay, so you can see two brackets are there, this bracket and this bracket. Okay, so these two brackets will be solved first. After that you can see plus is there and multiplication is there. So which part you will solve first? Obviously this part. Okay, so you can put a bracket here. You will solve this first. Okay, firstly so you will solve this and this. Then after this has been done, then you will solve this part with this. Okay, then you will solve what is the outcome, उसको आप इसके साथ solve करेंगे. Then you will go with the solution of G, and finally you will go with the solution of A. Why? Because you have seen that this particular operator has more precedence power. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear. So let us start doing it. So firstly we will be solving the inner brackets. Okay, so for that you see B plus C, it will become BC plus, D plus E, it will become DE plus. Now we will try solving this. So this is your first term, first operand, this is your operator, and this is your second operand. Fine. So you can see up to here everything is same. Okay, up to here everything is same. Now we will solve this part only. So DE plus is the 1. Okay, this is the first operand. Second operand is F. Okay, this is your second operand, and this is your operator. Okay, I hope it is also clear. Now what you will solve? This part you will solve, or this part you will solve? This part we will go. Why we will go with this part? Because division has more precedence power. Okay, so now what will be there? You can see this is the complete one bracket, this is another one. Okay, so this one is the one part. So this is operand 1, this is operator, and this is the second operand. Fine. Again follow the same rule, first operand, second operand, operator. Okay, so up to here, up to plus, we will write the same. Okay, this is the first part, G is the second operand, and slash is the operator. Okay, why this is actually your division sign, so we are putting at the last. So now what we are left with, this is the one part. Okay, and this is the another part. So operand 1, operand 2, and this is the operator plus. Okay, let me show it again to you so that it may become more clear to you. There should not be any confusion. So for that what you need to write, this will be your operand 2. Okay, this is your operand 1, and this is your operator. Okay, follow this rule again, operand 1. So see again what is there, plus sign is there, and in bracket there are multiple elements inside it. So A will be attached to ABC only. Okay, and rest all will be remaining the same. So ABC, the plus is the operator, it will go at the last. Okay, so ABC plus DE plus F, multiplication plus G, division, and then you will get plus at the end. Okay, I hope it is also clear. So beta, next last question for today's session is this. Actually not is an operator. Okay, this is not. How not we are writing? See, if not means to negate, matlab to make inverse. Okay, so if I say not A, so it will be like A. If I have given A is 1, okay, so not A will make A as 0. Okay, so A will be 0. So if A is 0 and I say negate it, not A, then A will become 1. Means if value of A is 1 and you negate it, then it will become 0. And if the value of A is 0 and you say inverse of it or negate it, not A, it will make it 1. So 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. Okay, so if we are writing not like this, so it means the same like this, but we will not be writing it like this because here in question it has been given like this only. Okay, so this is very important concept that you should keep in your mind. Priority order while solving these things. When you are having not, and or, these three things together in your question, then the priority order, not will be given the first topmost priority, and will be given the next priority, and or will be given the last priority. Okay, so you should always remember this concept in your mind, that we have to give precedence to not first. Okay, so for that you need to keep everything in mind. Okay, so beta ab not ko, how, see, one more thing I just want to add. This not is actually a unitary operator. Okay, like we are writing a plus b. Okay, so it is a binary operator. A minus b is a binary. Why binary? Because for this particular operator we need two operands. Okay, a is also required, b is also required. Similarly for division, multiplication and subtraction we need two operands, but for not we need only one operand, means not a, only one operand is required. Okay, so you will not need another operand for it. So not a, not b, not c, so we are putting brackets. So this is the one term, first term, this is the second term, and you see if it is not written, any operator is not written, then we will assume and. Okay, in between two, like we write a b, so what we are assuming it is multiplication, means a into b. Similarly, if nothing is written here then we'll assume it is and is just like your multiplication. Okay, and or is just like your addition. Fine, or is addition and is multiplication. Okay, so now try solving this. Not a, not b, not c. Okay, so you know first priority is to be given to not. So firstly we'll solve these brackets only. So not a will give you a not, operator has to be written at the back. Okay, so not a, that will give you a not, similarly b not, then similarly c not. Okay, next is you know and has got the more precedence, so we'll solve this first. Okay, so this is your operand 1, this is your operator, and this is your second operand. So what rule says? First operand, second operand, and then operator. So you see b naught, c naught, and. Okay, now this has become your first operand and this is your second operand, this complete. Okay, this complete is your second operand. So what you will do? A naught, b naught, c naught, then and also, and then finally or. I hope the concept is clear. Please do practice of these types of questions. They come in your exam every time. Thank you, beta.